Alright guys, so we are here at Del Amo Motorsports, Redondo Beach, California. So ito guys, puro big bike dito, halos big bikes, mga dirt bikes. Mamaya, papakita ko mamaya yung mga big bikes doon. Pero here, meron tayong Honda PCX. Meron silang Honda PCX na isa sa mga sikat sa Pilipinas guys. Imagine mo, meron ganito sa US. Ang retail niya is nasa $5,700. Ayan. So I'm not sure kung meron gantong kulay sa Pinas ha. Parang may pagka bronze color. Ito meron ding Honda Metropolitan, parang Vespa style. Ayan. And dito, ito yung pinaka gusto ko guys. Meron silang Super Cub, Honda Super Cub. Ayan. Ayan oh. Super Cub 125 ABS 489. Ayan oh. And then these are, I think, what's this? Grom? Honda Grom yata to. Honda, yeah, Grom. Ayan oh. 4,500. Honda Grom. Etong isa parang pan dirt bike na Honda no. Trail 125. Diba? Ito maganda to. Ang ganda niya. So wala siyang clutch. Wala siyang clutch guys. Mga Africa Twin. Dito meron silang KTM. Meron din silang Kimco. Ayan. ZX-10R na fully loaded. Ayan, naka Kraftwitch na carbon. Ito mga Ducati Multistrada V4 V4S. Ayan, Panigale V2. Ito mga Street Fighter to. Mga Street Fighter. Ito mga Multistrada rin. Ito V2 guys. Ganito yung nakuha natin. Kulay pula na V2. So soon we will ride that bike very soon. Ayan, may mga Ninja din 6R na 2024 model. Ito 40th anniversary na ZX-10R. Ganda ng kulay. Ayan, ZX-14. May mga few bikes ayan, mga Scrambler o Monster. May nakita akong mga Japanese bikes yung sikat sa Pilipinas. Tingnan natin dito guys. And MT-07 naka TFT. And XSR 900. Ito XSR na 60th anniversary. Nasa 12,500. Ayan. Ayan, Tenere Tracer 9 GT Plus. May mga sila, may mga used sila na R6 guys. Ito puro R6 yan na used. Ayan. And then R7, R3. Dito guys sa Pilipinas stop na yung R1 diba? Pero dito meron pa rin silang 2024 na Raven Black, Yamaha Blue. Ayan. Muntik na tayong kumuha nito guys, pero it's not really for adventure. Kailangan natin yung ng pang touring talaga. Ayan. Ayan, Tenere. Ayan, Ducati. Ganda rito guys, napakalawak niya. May CF motor
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after.